1.
Download Pixified example package.
Find that in the description.
Place file in Sims 4 Studio Mods. Selective clone. Object. Custom. The example. Export mesh. Make or download something. Replace the example files. Remember, the glass needs 2 panels, one for the top, one for the bottom. Make sure the glass looks solid on both sides. Re-import on both LODs.
2.
Create a cutout. To find out how,
Find that in the description.
rewatch my other video. Have cutout and notepad side by side. Open side panel. Pick a vertex. Cursor to selected. Copy the X's details and store them. Copy the Y details and store them too. Counterclockwise. Important, any Y up here must be made negative. Any Y down here must be made positive. So when pasting in your notes, make sure that you correct the Y-axis's details.
3.
Warehouse. Footprint. Object polygons. Edit items. Point list. Clear. Add. And paste everything from the top to the bottom. X goes to X and Y goes to Z. When completed, if you wanna, gather the max height, X and Z, and store in the bound, and gather the min height, X and Z, and store them too. Done! It's nice looking up, isn't it?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.